Guys, welcome to today's review. Today's gonna be a Dairy Queen Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard treat. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna be trying today the new Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard treat from Dairy Queen. It comes with Oreo cookie pieces, gummy worms, fudge, and crumble, blended with their soft serve. We're gonna give it a shot, see how it is. See if we can find the gummy worms. So far, it's just the Oreo pieces and the crumble. So we're not finding any gummy worms in here. Huh. Okay. Nope. Just another cookie piece. Okay, well, this is a bit of a fail. There's no gummy worms in there. Not that I can find anyway. I'm looking here, and I don't see any in there. Tastes good, but I'm still not finding. Sorry, guys. Well, I'll let you guys know later in the description if I find gummy worms in here. Well, so far there's no gummy worms in there at all, which is the main reason why I wanted to try this. Not just I love Oreos, right? So I'm really disappointed. So it's gonna be a thumbs down. It's gonna be a fail, even though it tastes good. Like, you're missing one of the ingredients. So. Sorry. Hey, at least you're getting some entertainment out of the review, guys. Anyways, Dairy Queen, come on. Like, what's up with this? There's no gummy worms in here. Like, really? I am really disappointed. Again, thumbs down. Let me know if you guys would try this Blizzard. Hopefully, when you guys try it, they put in the gummy worms. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just let me know if you guys would try a Blizzard like that or not. Or belch like Keith. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.